Did you know the U.S. military once rejected their own black soldiers and gave them to France instead? Meet the Harlem Hellfighters, the 369th Infantry Regiment. These brave black men wanted to fight for America in World War I, but the U.S. Army refused to let white soldiers fight alongside them, so they shipped them off to France. The French welcomed them with open arms. What happened next was incredible. The Harlem Hellfighters spent 191 days in deadly frontline trenches. They never gave up a single inch of ground. Henry Johnson became the first American to win France's highest military honor. But when they returned home as heroes, America gave them a cold welcome. They faced segregated parades and angry mobs. The same country they bled for denied them veteran benefits for decades. France called them heroes. America buried their story. The most shocking part? The U.S. government sealed their military records until the 1990s to hide their achievements. They didn't want America to know how brave these men really were.